So all your backpackers, flashpackers, everybody who wants a cheap ride in Manila can now use Joyride, a motorbike taxi ride. And it really works well. I do it all the time here. And it really works if you are alone, of course, otherwise it's not so suitable. But it's pretty cheap, very cheap actually, and you support also local businesses with it, of course, because people earn money by it. And yeah, I will show you how it works. It's pretty easy. Okay, here we go. And we will buy a motorbike taxi service. The current address we can use, or I type it in to be sure, commune, because I'm here in a coffee bar, or next to the coffee bar now. And the drop-off location, I have to go to 6175 Eindhoven Street. 175 Eindhoven Street. Oh. And that's it. Then we click on done. And we see it's about 69 pesos. And not so far. And I confirm the booking and somebody will come very shortly. And we got a driver on the way. And so I have just arrived here at the beautiful Eindhoven Street. I think they misspelled it, by the way, because it should be Eindhoven with a D. But anyway, I am here, and that only for 69 pesos. So if you are a backpacker, that might even be too much. But if you are a flashpacker, and eventually you move on from backpacker to flashpacker, it's very doable. And you support the locals. So take a motorbike taxi. The only downside is that your hair is going to be messed up because of the helmet, but luckily I don't care about that. And I support another local small business here by buying some service here.